features or tools it offers, or perhaps understand how its node-based generative design works.
Just walk me through it.
Sure. Let's start with the basics. The Graphite interface has a few key areas, like the File, Edit, Layer, Document, and View menus at the top left, and the Properties and Layers panels on the right, with the main canvas in the center. Do you want to start by creating a new document or exploring any of the demo artwork options?
Demo artwork.
Okay, let's explore the demo artwork. By clicking the Open Demo Artwork option, you'll load a pre-made project that allows you to explore the software's capabilities right away. Would you like me to explain the different components of the demo artwork once it's open?
Yes.
All right, the demo artwork should now be open. You'll see various shapes, colors, and layers that demonstrate how graphite works. On the right, you'll find the Layers panel that shows you how the artwork is structured, and the Properties panel that shows you the parameters of the elements currently selected. Would you like me to walk you through the Layers panel first?
Yes, please walk me through the layers panel.
Okay, in the Layers panel, you can see the different elements of the artwork stacked on top of each other, like in a physical painting. Each row represents a different layer, and the order they're listed determines what's in front. The top layer is the background layer, with all the layers containing the drawing below that one. Do you have any questions about that before I move on?
Please repeat.
No problem. Each row in the Layers panel represents a separate layer of the artwork, and they are stacked visually from top to bottom. The layer at the very top of the list, background in this case, is at the very back of the drawing.
Okay,
Layer
got
at
it.
the Great. Now next to each layer name, there is an eye icon. Clicking this will toggle the visibility of that layer on or off. Do you want to try that out?
Yeah, I tried it. Yeah.
Great, so you can now toggle the visibility of the different layers. Next to the eye icon, there's also a lock icon. Locking a layer prevents it from being edited, which can be useful when you want to work on other layers without accidentally modifying the locked one. Do you want to test this out?
Yes.
Okay, try clicking the lock icon on one of the layers, and then select an element in that layer to verify it can't be edited. Do you want me to explain how to select elements?
No, just tell me how to lock the layer.
Okay, to lock a layer, you just need to click on the lock icon that's located to the right of the eye icon for that layer. Once locked, Great. So now that you know how to toggle visibility and lock layers, we can move on to the Properties panel on the right. Would you like to learn about that now?
Yes.
All right, the Properties panel is dynamic, so it shows different options based on what you have selected. If you select a layer, you will see options to adjust the layer's opacity or blending mode. Have you selected one yet?
Just a minute.
Okay, take your time. Let me know when you are ready to continue.
Yeah, I've selected a layer.
Okay, I see you've selected the front eyebrow layer. Now in the Properties panel, you can adjust the opacity of that layer using the slider. Do you want to try changing the opacity?
Yes. Where is the slider?
The opacity slider is directly above the layer options in the Layers panel. It should say opacity, and there should be a slider to the right of it. Do you see it?
No. Where is the opacity?
I understand. It appears you are looking at the Properties panel, not the Layers panel. You can find the opacity slider in the...
Okay, I got it.
Great. You can now use the slider in the Layers panel to adjust the opacity of the front eyebrow layer.
Okay.
Do you want to try that out now?
Yeah, I'm trying it out right now.
Awesome. You can see the front eyebrow layer becoming more transparent as you lower the opacity percentage. Do you have any questions about that, or would you like to learn about another part of the interface?
Another part of the interface.
Okay, let's explore the toolbar on the left. It contains various tools for drawing, selecting, and transforming elements. Would you like to start with the selection tools?
Yes.
Okay, at the top of the toolbar, you'll find the Select Object tool, which is represented by a mouse cursor icon. This is used to select and move entire elements in your artwork. Below that, you'll find the Edit Node tool, which is used to adjust individual points or nodes of a vector shape. Would you like to test any of these?
Yes, the select tool.
Okay, you want to try the Select Object tool, which is the first one on the toolbar with the mouse cursor icon. To use it, click on an element in the artwork, for example the eyebrow, and you can drag it around. Would you like me to show you how to edit its nodes now that you selected it?
Oh, yeah, I can do it, yes.
Great. It looks like you're able to select and move the shape. Now, to edit the nodes of the shape, you can select the second tool on the toolbar, called Edit Node. Would you like to learn more about that?
Artboard tool, it is not edit node.
You're right, I apologize for the mistake. The second tool is actually the Artboard tool and not the Edit Node tool. The Artboard tool is used to adjust the canvas area of your artwork. The Edit Node tool is the tool under the Artboard tool. Would you like to explore the Artboard tool or the Edit Node tool next?
Artboard tool.
Okay, the Artboard tool allows you to adjust the boundaries of your drawing area. When you select it, you will see handles around the canvas that you can drag to change its size. Do you want to try resizing the artboard using the Artboard tool?
Yes. Oh.
Alright, it looks like you've selected the Artboard tool. You can click and drag the edges or corners of the artboard area to resize it. Do you have any questions on how to do that?
I'm unable to do it. Please help me.
Okay, I understand. When using the Artboard tool, make sure you click directly on the edge or the corner of the artboard. A small square will appear when you hover over a handle. Then click and drag to change the size. Are you able to see the square handles on the canvas?
Yes. Yes. But I'm not able to resize it.
Okay, it seems like you're still having trouble with the Artboard tool. It's important that you click and drag directly from one of the square handles that appears on the artboard's boundary when the tool is selected. Make sure to click and hold before dragging. Can you try that and let me know if you see a change in the artboard's boundaries?
Okay, this was pretty educative. Now we will pick up some other time.
Okay, I'm glad you found it helpful. If you have any more questions or want to explore other parts of graphite in the future, just let me know.